What's going on? Michael Petty here. So in this video, let's get to the truth, right? Let's get straight to the honest information that you need. Okay. So a lot of times you see people, when they join a person, they join somebody who is making a lot of money. They look for that person over anybody else who makes the most, right? Why do you think you see the top leaders making the most money? And the reason why they look for that person, because they believe that person can give me the answers on how I can make commissions hand over fist, get a lot of leads, get a lot of people checking me out. That person can give me the answers. But here's the truth, right? Let's cut the BS. No one can actually give you the real answers, the direct answers on how you can make money online. Here's the reason why. The person that I partner with, he is a top earner. Okay. His skill level is higher than my skill level because he's been doing this longer than I have. So for a person who's brand new in the industry, their skill level, of course, would be different from mine and different from my uplines. So my upline has a bigger audience than I do. Okay? And in the sense, if a person is new, I have a bigger audience than a new person. So without an audience, without a following, without people, without you having the skill set to have enough content out there on the internet, YouTube, Facebook, you don't have a following. No one's really paying you any attention. So you have to build your following. So how do we build a following, right? You get traffic to your lead capture page two ways. You either buy traffic, run it through your lead capture page. Okay. In my copy and paste swap file, I have traffic sources. Okay. So when you go to these traffic sources, you buy the traffic and you run it to your lead capture page. Okay. Then what you're going to do for those leads, you're going to have either an email campaign going to those leads, but you also want to reach out to them personally. You want them to see your face. You want them to hear your voice. People buy from people they know, like, and trust. Okay? So you got a lot of people that's marketing a funnel that is branding a total different person. They're not seeing you. And then you wonder, why am I not making money? But then you go to that person and that person making money hand over fist. Because I'm going to tell you what's going on. What's going on is that this marketer has training. They doing the videos. They in front of your prospects left and right. Yeah, you're generating the leads and you're keeping the leads, but they're seeing that individual. So that individual saying their name, talking about themselves, talking about their attributes, talking about what they're doing, and that person would go on Google and look that person up. Your prospects will go look that person up, and then all of a sudden, now that they make the decision to join them in business because that person is doing the training. Okay, keep that in mind. You cannot hide behind a sales funnel. Now, when I say hide behind a sales funnel, if the sales funnel is promoting another person, if the sales funnel have another person doing all the training and they don't see you, it's not going to happen that fast. Can you make money? Yes, you can make money that way. But over time, a person has to see you. People join people they know, like, and trust. That's my brother sending me notifications. Me and my brother be on Instagram and TikTok and all that, sharing funny stuff back and forth. But right now, if you create a funnel, it's you, like my lead capture page. This is me. After the lead capture page, it goes to my sales page that I created using Power Lead System. 6-minute presentation. There's a video of me. There's my team bonuses, right? There's me again. My picture. They see me. Okay, my contact information, they want to contact me, right? Also in my copy and paste swap file, I'm at the very top. Here's all my social media platforms. So people are constantly going to see me. In this video right now, you are seeing me. So let's dial it back a little bit. So you're running traffic to your lead capture page, or you're doing organic traffic, such as YouTube, such as posting on social media, right? Here's some techniques. So let me take you to Facebook, and I'm gonna actually show you a marketing technique that actually gets leads on Facebook. Now, do it get a flow of leads depending on who you are? Yes. But if you're brand new, of course not, because you have to build your following. So I want to find a post where I actually got leads from. This one right here. In this post right here, I got leads after posting this. So here's a strategy. It says no traffic, no leads, no sales, no cash flow, of course, right? Here's a flow of potential $2,000 commissions. Now I ran traffic to my lead capture page and I had a flow of leads come through. One of my team bonuses is what I do is I get traffic and I run it to your link because I want to help you make more potential sales. Okay? The higher the level you come in, the more traffic I'm gonna get. So you come in at the G2000, you're gonna be in position to make multiple $2,000 sales. I'm gonna run a lot of traffic, your first set of traffic to your link. Okay? Make sure you're able to get seen and heard. Bridge page. Create a bridge page, whether inside of the back office of Exitus Elite, that's the business I'm in, or create one with Power Lead System, or create your own sales page with yourself on it. Okay, and also share the traffic source that I use. So right here in the comments. So what I did was in the first comment, I put the traffic source, which is Udemy, and I put instant $2,000 days. And I know after making this post, I got some leads coming through my funnel. And I'm going to show you what that looks like if you use Power Lead System tools, creating your own capture page. And what that looks like is you'll get an email saying your name. Prospects just fill out your form at your website. It'll show this, and it'll also show visitor came from Facebook. Using Power Lead System, it's going to show you because it has add-in tracking. So it's going to show you if it came from Instagram, if it came from Twitter, okay, if it came from a Hercules post, if it came from Facebook, YouTube. So that way you will know where to put your focus in when it comes to traffic. So back to the skill level. There's a lot of people following Grant Cardone, following Gary Vaynerchuk. Okay, now I can't use Grant Cardone's marketing strategy because he's marketing big business and real estate. I personally can't use Gary Vaynerchuk's marketing strategy when it comes to posting online because I don't have a person following me around, recording me as I'm just doing what I do and posting multiple times on social media for me. This is me being upfront, and you're going to have to be upfront. So here's what you can do. Now, this is one strategy that I personally know that worked across the board. It doesn't matter who you are. Is it going to take time to build? Yes. But that's why you got to be consistent and constantly put in work. Here is that strategy. Getting seen and getting heard. Whether it's on Facebook, you posting videos, posting a valuable post with your picture attached to that, going back to Facebook, posting a valuable post with your picture attached so they can see you. Because why? When they see the value, they attaching that value to your face. And if you do a video, right? Let's say you want to post a video on your Facebook. They constantly see your face. They're attaching the value to your face. So when you make the decision to actually do a video, they can see your face and they can hear your voice. So if you constantly giving tips, giving ideas, giving answers, that's going to draw people to you. Like I see a lot of people posting inside of Facebook groups. What I post, the last post I made inside of a Facebook group was this here. Anybody have any questions about making money online, inbox me your questions. I also gave them my text and my WhatsApp number. That you can text me, you can WhatsApp me, email me. My contact information is down below this video in the description. If you have any questions, shoot it to me. I will answer the questions, and I'm gonna even do a video about it. Someone asked a question: how do you create a bridge page inside of Power Lead System? So I just recently made this video showing how to do that on YouTube, and I sent that information to them. Now they can see it. Also, anyone else can see it. And if they're interested in using Power Lead System, my link is right there. They can get inside, check out the Power Lead System. But simple marketing, right? When you create videos, okay, make sure you get in front of your people. When you create videos, create that video. You can post it on YouTube, post it on Facebook. Other people are going to see it. If you give enough value, other people are going to want more information and opt into your list. And you take that same video and you send that video out to your list. So not only are you promoting it for your people, you're attracting more people using social media. So I don't want to make this video too long, and I do thank you for taking the time to watch this video. So in a nutshell, get traffic to your list. As you run in traffic to your list, paid or organic, create content, share that content out to your list. Post that content on social media to draw in more people to get them on your list. So my name is Michael Petty. Again, thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and I'll talk to you soon.